How to clear the cache in Spotify mobile app. This tutorial shows you how to free up storage space by removing temporary data from Spotify. First, open the Spotify app on your Android device. Next, tap on the settings icon, which looks like a gear in the top right corner. Following that, you'll be taken to the Spotify settings page. Now, scroll down until you find the storage section. Moving forward, tap on storage to access cache and data management options. Afterwards, you'll see how much storage Spotify is currently using on your device. In addition to that, you'll see an option called Clear Cache or Delete Cache. Once there, tap on Clear Cache to remove all temporary files. Subsequently, Spotify will ask you to confirm that you want to clear the cache. Moreover, tap on Clear or Confirm to proceed with deleting the cache data. Afterwards, the cache will be cleared immediately and you'll see the storage size reduced. Then, keep in mind that clearing cache doesn't delete your downloaded songs or playlists. Within this menu, you can also see downloaded content if you want to remove offline music. Alternatively, if you want to free up even more space, tap on Delete Cache and Data under Storage Settings. Once cleared, Spotify may take a bit longer to load album artwork and songs the first time you play them. Then, your login information and settings will remain intact after clearing the cache. And that's it. If this Spotify cache clearing guide helped you free up storage space, please like the video, subscribe for more app optimization tips, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.